What are your thoughts on the Japan Airlines Coast Guard collision? Only one word: devastating. Absolutely devastating. Compare what happened about 30 or 40 years ago. Plane crashes back then were common, but nowadays, plane crashes at this time are just rare and shocking. When I first saw it on YouTube, I was just shocked about how the two planes collided. And if I'm not mistaken, that's probably the very first Airbus A350 to be quote unquote damaged beyond repair. I do have an uncle who actually works for Coast Guard, but he mostly works on ships, so thank God he was not on that flight. But regardless, I'm still sending condolences to everyone who was involved, and I'm still sending thoughts and prayers to the victims' family and friends who lost loved ones on the Coast Guard plane. And to those who are wondering, have I heard about the latest info on the collision? Yes, I have heard the ATC gave the Japan's airline plane to land, and the ATC did not give an okay to the Coast Guard plane to taxi on the runway. So to me, pilot error played a critical role in the collision, but we'll see how it goes during the final report. And that's all to it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, drop a question down in the comments. I will see you all in my next video.